Well, here's the statement by Umkhonto weSizwe Party regarding the kidnapping of the Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro. Now, this is the statement that was released by Umkhonto weSizwe yesterday. And in their statement, the heading of their statement says Umkhonto weSizwe Party statement condemning the United States military invasion, abduction, and the Venezuelan president and illegal attempt to take over the Republic of Venezuela. Now, I think the MK Party is too quick to denounce the actions of the United States President Donald Trump, specifically as it relates to the seizure or the kidnapping of the President of Venezuela, Nicolas Maduro. This marks a significant departure from their stance last year. I mean, on the 22nd of January 2025, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party issued a statement following Trump's inauguration as the 47th President of the United States. And the title of that particular statement was, "The MK Party welcomes President Trump's inauguration with the hope for global justice and sovereignty." And in this very same statement, the MK Party expressed its view that Trump's presidency represented a beacon of hope. Put that in capital letters, a beacon of hope for dismantling systems of exploitation and oppression that was perpetrated or perpetuated under the previous administration. Now, it is my view that Umkhonto weSizwe Party is the last organization to condemn whatever that is happening in Venezuela, because they viewed the re-election of President Trump as the beacon of hope.